we just out here just chilling on some elephants and stuff like that. You know, just riding them. Even though we do got some comments about this, you know, we kind of like biased because we're doing both.
Yeah.
Taking care of them and riding them. It's
definitely a different feel.
It's kind of sad that we ride.
We went to the other elephant family. We noticed that when the elephants poop, they scooped it up quickly and did away with it, like put it in these big scoop bucket things. Here, going up this trail, that's all we see is poop, poop, poop.
But poop ain't bad for them. It's kind of good fertilizer, vegetation.
Well, yeah.
They'll step in it.
But my point of saying that is, it's like having a pet. Yeah. If the pet poop, you clean it up. That's just a natural thing when you're taking care of your animal. You know.
You got a pet elephant?
Y'all know I love elephants.
She got a pet elephant, but she's scared of them.
I'm not scared. They're big.
You gotta wash your pet, baby.
I did wash.
You gotta take a mud bath with him.
I washed it yesterday.
Yeah, you gotta wash it. Oh, that was a poop.
Ew, that came out
farted?
It stink.
I don't smell it. Oh, I smell it a little bit.
Oh my God.
That was you?
That was the elephant.
You pulled it?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. I knew that was you.
What's his name?
Shampoo.
Shampoo?
Shampoo.
Yes.
Okay. Shampoo.
Papa, Mama, handmade.
Really?
Yes. Country
What's this?
elephant.
Elephant.
I know.
Elephant. Ani next step. Ani.
That's nice.
Good luck. Kanan small, ani big.
Oh,
Ani
small.
by select.
What you use that for?
Huh?
What's that
For control elephant safety.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you.
Huh?
Thank you. Thank you.
So y'all, I thought this was for the elephants, but no, it's for us. I'm gonna let Keith give y'all the review after he stopped blowing on it.
Slowly. No, like that. In the village, make people like it. The baby can make cooking themselves. When the papa, mommy working the farm, they can make themselves. This one. Yeah.
You're good at that.
Not easy, huh?
You put it in his mouth.
Yeah, say bone and walk up to him. Bone, bone. That's one line.
Okay, everyone go here. Didi, you can say Didi when they touch elephant.
Bone.
As always, this is Living with the Max. That was a B, y'all. We are enjoying each other on this vacation. Tonight is our last night, but all is well. We love Thailand. We'll definitely come back.
Yeah, this ain't the last time.